So we're just gonna go speed 5. Oh my god, finally kita jumpa. All this Instagram.
Yes, and then WhatsApp, and then video passing help.
And masak during MCO, kita masak online sama-sama.
Masa tu wifi tak kuat, so macam jam stuck. Lepas tu terlalu masin sebab tak dengar kan. Terlepas letak the garam. Okay, so as you guys know, we have been talking on Instagram since MCO, but we never officially met yet, even though we are under the same management. So today is so happened that's my free day. So Anis also free hari ini. Susah dapat schedule dia busy sangat. So just to learn a few tricks on how to properly cook. Because as you all know, I cut my finger before weeks ago. So I'm actually kind of phobia to see all the knife and also chopping board lah. So today Anis is here to help me to counter the fear. So what are we cooking today?
We're making something that I love very much. Tapi before that, because I tahu you takut nak potong benda, so you tak payah potong benda because today kita nak masak with my Thermomix TM6.
Maknanya kita tak perlu pisau?
No.
Sebab I pernah tengok benda ni dekat your Instagram lah. So I ingat ni untuk masak sup ke apa ke sebab dia ada...
Actually, you boleh masak everything. Anything, you boleh masak chicken. So we're cooking chicken today.
So meaning with this thing, I no need all these things?
No need. So just kupas kulit, which I dah tolong dah just now. So you know you just have to do your garlic, your shallots, and yang tu je, like very minimal prep work, and the rest you just campak je dekat dalam.
I don't believe you.
I'm gonna show it.
I really don't believe you. With this whole thing, we don't have to like worry our hands get chopped or like get cuts or anything.
And it's only gonna take about 20 minutes from start to finish.
Okay, let's see what you have.
Tunggu jap, tapi sebelum tu, I nak masak one of my recipes, okay?
Wih, jap, I nampak ni. Comfort food by Chef Anis Nabilah. Wow.
My first baby.
Your first cookbook.
Yes.
Okay,
I nak panggil dia baby.
We actually have like English and also Malay and also Chinese lah. So siapa-siapa yang Cina tak baca Cina atau tak bahasa lain，假如你会看中文的话，就是你可以买这一本 Comfort Cookbook.
Why did you say this?
I just say like if let's say you don't know how to speak, I don't know how to, not really good in English and also Malay, you're more comfortable in reading Chinese. So we also have like the Chinese descriptions or recipes here. You can just follow.
Yes. Anda boleh dapatkan buku ni dan dia ada bahasa Melayu. So today we're gonna use my recipe. So I was thinking, we're making this. This is like one of my favorite recipes. I cook gila. Braised chicken with Goji Berry.
Oh, I love Goji Berry.
I love it so much. So
it's sweet and then it's not too sweet.
Yeah, and it's sour. It's just nice, and it has a lot of health benefits as well.
Kalau cakap Melayu, boleh masam-masam sikit. If you say in English, it's much better.
So we need just these ingredients lah, and it's very easy. I said we're only gonna take about 20 minutes je nak masak. Okay, and we're gonna start by placing our garlic, ginger and shallots into the mixing bowl. So this is called the mixing bowl. Okay, so we're using 80 gram bawang putih, and then 15 gram ginger, and 90 gram shallots.
Because for me, right, because I'm not used to weighing I don't know how much is 80 gram. So how should I do that?
You can weigh it. You wanna do? Okay, just masukkan 80 gram je. Okay. You nampak tak this sensitive? Like even angin pun will.
Dia akan.
Yeah. So you just wanna put one by one. Okay. Sampai dia 80. So it's as easy as that. Ooh. Bawang putih be. Garlic be.
Okay.
Oh yeah, baby. Well done. Okay, jangan gerak. Stay. Okay, and then so you want to measure the rest lah. Ginger 15 grams. So just
yes. 50.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, just put it here, and then you can press tear again. And then 90 grams of shallots. So it's 90 gram bawang merah. It's so easy way.
Yeah.
So siapa boleh masak? Like I know some friends, anak-anak dia orang like 10-11 tahun boleh masak sendiri. Like everything, boleh buat rendang and everything sendiri because they have Thermomix TM6.
Yeah, I think this is
Crazy.
very convenient, especially for macam saya. If let's say because I'm living by myself, 90 right?
90.
So a lot of times I macam kalau nak masak untuk one portion, I don't know how to like get the right,
Budget,
right portion or right ingredients
I
to
pun sama.
do it.
I selalu masak.
Terus tak habis.
Alvin, kalau I masak sebab tu lah I banyak hantar kat you makan.
DDL.
Hey, don't say that. I thought you like my.
No, I like eating the nice food lah. I'm actually very picky also because I'm Penang.
Lagi 10 gram. 90.
90. Sorry yang makin saya tak nampak.
Orang Penang, yes.
89 kan tak?
Boleh
Still
tak?
1 gram.
Nak letak sikit tak apa. Lebih tak apa. Lebih pun sedap. OCD punya pakcik ni. But just put that one whole thing. It's okay. Yeah, it's nice and it's sweet. Okay, so you're 1 gram extra. It's fine.
Then
Then
two
we're gonna
strings
close
onion.
it. We're gonna close it first. Yeah, just like that. Kat depan macam ni. You just letak je. Like that. Okay? And then you tak payah nak tekan dia because it will tighten on its own. Okay? So we're going back to dekat main punya ni. So now dia cakap 5 seconds, speed 5. So first I'm gonna buat dia punya
5 seconds.
5 second dulu. And then because I tak nak masak, sekarang ni nak potong chicken, nak chop chicken. So I terus pergi kat sini. And then speed 5. So when I press this, it's gonna start. So it's gonna lock automatically.
Okay.
Okay, so kalau tak tutup, dia takkan start. Because that's one of the safety features lah. So it's so safe. So we're just gonna go speed 5. Okay, you rasa dia potong macam mana kalau 5 saat je?
5 saat.
You rasa dia jadi macam mana?
Besar-besar betul-betul.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Hmm.
Ta-da!
Oh my god,
Yeah,
guys.
pick it up.
Look at this.
It's the
Can see or
hunter
not?
in 5 seconds.
Can see or not?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's so good, right? So kalau you tak nak cincang-cincang, macam saya cakap, you
Kalau
tak
I
payah
yang
nak
buat,
nangis-nangis. I
kalau
tahu
I
dia-
buat sendiri mesti buat setengah jam.
I nampak itu. Lepas tu bila I cakap kat you, lebih lagi Alvin, you dah nak nangis. Walaupun you potong bawang putih sebenarnya. So now we're gonna add in our
Spring onion.
spring onion, sesame oil. Okay, you tolong I masukkan sesame oil.
So like how,
Wait,
like
55 gram. So let's kita timbang lah. Okay, I'm gonna chop this up.
but this makes everything like
I
easier
know.
lah.
You know why I sajalah nak tunjuk you Thermomix ni because I know you bujang. Kadang-kadang you nak masak kan, untuk masak sorang-sorang. I tahu sebab you selalu suka kalau kali tengok my video, you akan try kan my recipe.
Yes.
Lepas tu you kena spend time lama sangat kat dalam.
Sebab I punya barang sikit tau because I
Uh-huh.
know which one to buy, like which knife is good and then
Yeah.
which spatula, which
Yeah.
stuff to get,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So it's hard for me to like learn from the start. So the easiest way is actually Anis help tolong ni. Macam mana nak buat kalau
I
saya
love
cuma ada
it. I
tutorial
love it.
kecil.
Alvin, I boleh kira dengan satu tangan je berapa ramai kawan I who would actually call me and like ask for cooking tips and everything. So when you do, I love it. So it's just 2 tambah 3. It's up to you really, like between 2 to 3 sprigs. It's just untuk tambah manis.
Okay.
So you add your spring onion and
Just
your
add
sesame
all lah.
oil. Yep.
Kan?
Add oil. And then kita nak tutup dia balik. Yeah. And then we're gonna do 5 minutes. Okay. Gonna go
Five.
back.
Oh, back
Go
is that.
back. And then 5 minutes. Okay. So yeah. So
Just
you just
turn.
turn the knob. 5 minutes. Okay. So then you tekan the middle.
Kan the middle.
Okay. 120 degrees.
120 degrees.
This is So I'm gonna show you. It's still on the blade punya ni,
Mode.
tapi you nak one je. So you pusing.
Takut dia kuat.
Tak, yang ni spoon, yang ni mixing. So just the corner. Okay. So it's just gonna masak. So you need right like
Oh, it's done.
it is done.
Is this hot? No, right?
No, so just okay.
Oh,
I kena jengkit. Hati-hati. Okay, because
steam.
there's steam. Oh, okay. You can. Oh, we forgot to press that. Oh, you can see now. Yeah, so nice. And then now I'm gonna put it back. And then baca balik. I punya ni. So now add chicken, light soy sauce. This is our light soy sauce. Sweet soy sauce. Okay, both of these. Dried chilies. Yang ni. Szechuan peppercorns. This one. Chicken stock powder. Reverse. Okay, are you doing it? Okay. Reverse spoon. That means kita tak nak guna the blade. Okay. Oh, you dah measure. Bagus kan kawan I. Dia measure 60 gram. Well done, Alvin. And then sweet soy sauce, dried chilies.
Dried chilies?
Yeah, you can just put it like that. It's broken. Dia dah dipecah-pecahkan, so you can just
put everything in a can.
Szechuan peppercorn, this one.
This one?
Yeah. Okay.
Tablespoon.
Yang tu pun dah macam ketuk-ketuk sikit.
This chicken stock thing.
Chicken stock. Okay, yeah, we're putting in chicken stock because we're not using the powder. So separuh cawan chicken stock. You can use the powder, obviously. A little bit of sugar and white pepper. Just I think about 5 shakes.
Okay.
Okay. Lepas tu 1 teaspoon of this. So I'm gonna just take this, put it okay. I'm using brown sugar just to balance out the taste lah. You nak guna honey pun boleh juga.
Okay.
And then that's it. Kan?
Aroma, you know what's that?
Okay, aroma meaning it's paling panas sekali. Okay.
Oh.
So it's after 120 degrees. This is called aroma. This is also used for steaming.
Okay.
You can steam.
Okay.
Yes.
Then reverse speed.
Reverse speed. So this is what you do. Terus kali you nak tukar dia macam tu. So you just tekan the blade. Reverse blade.
Okay.
Okay. And then you tekan the spoon.
Okay.
So dia masak
15 minit.
15 minit.
Kejap. Sebelum kita pause datang balik. What just happened, Chef Nabilah?
Tak masuk ke ayam. Alvin, kita tak masuk ayam. How dare
The
us?
first thing in the item 3 is add chicken. How can you miss that? Really lah, for real, you need to get the glasses.
Memang betul lah kena pakai glasses. Kenapa you bagi I take over? You tak selesai.
Sebab you kan baca ni, so I ikut je arahan you tadi. Kan apa tadi tu, kita start dari sekarang.
Kita masuk ke ayam.
Okay.
Lepas tu, sebab you lah kita ceramah tadi. Sebab I dah lupa. Salah kan. Alvin juga kena. Okay, sama aroma. And then just ni.
Okay.
So sekarang ayam kita akan masak dalam 15 minit. This is why you jangan kasih ceramah dalam dapur, guys.
Ni dapur terbakar macam ni lah.
Yes. Yang kita tak terbakar, kita selamat.
Okay, be right back after this.
Kita rice kan kita.
Kita grab actually.
Tetamu ni memang selalu minta nasi. Tetamu ni. Okay, it's done. Oh my god, it smells so good, Alvin. Belum lagi lah. Kita nak masukkan ni dulu. Apa ni, Alvin? Kenapa I lupa macam-macam? Okay, so we're gonna put our Goji Berry. Yang ni I dah rendam.
Okay, rendam dengan air je.
Rendam dengan air biasa saja.
Berapa lama kena rendam?
I think we did about 10 minutes.
2 minutes, okay.
Yeah. Nanti dia lembut lah. So dia dari dia kering sampai sekarang ni dia lembut. So I'm just gonna put in the Goji Berry.
50 gram of goji berries.
Yeah, I love it so much. It adds an amazing taste. Okay, so this is not in my recipe book, but I normally do this because I love coriander. Do you like coriander?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, I love it so much. Yeah. So, what people don't know kan Alvin, selalunya kalau diorang beli macam ni, this beautiful coriander, diorang cuma guna daun je. Some people don't even use the stalk.
Me.
Orangnya. You have to use, don't waste, okay?
Okay.
And a lot of people will throw the roots.
I thought tak boleh makan the roots.
Oh my god, the root is the best part of the coriander.
Ya ke boleh makan?
It's the best part of coriander. So what you do is, okay, kalau you tak nak guna pisau, just use your spoon. Just scrape it off, just like how you would do ginger punya skin. Okay. Okay, so like all these fibers ni you tak nak, so you just like chop. Okay. Sini, so you get this part. And this one we put aside. So So this, I like doing this in my masak lemak, in my tom yum. So I love adding the roots, okay? So we're just gonna chop it a little bit. So I'm just gonna add this now and masak it another 2 minutes together with the goji berry. Okay, and do you know that the root part is the most flavorful part of the coriander?
So dia bau paling kuat dia. Iyalah, betul lah.
Yeah. Never ever throw your coriander root. So we're just gonna add this extra tip. Don't waste anything. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 more minutes. And the same lah. Okay, the same, right? Okay. 2 more minutes for my reverse blade. Spoon. Karma. Reverse. And then that's it. Okay. Yeah. Sure. So we're gonna take it out. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. See, so I'm just gonna take out the chicken. Look at all the chicken. Oh my god, the chicken. Beautiful. Sudah tak sabar ni makan dah. Okay lah, you coriander
Manis.
it.
Oh.
It's like dia buat chicken. Macam tangan ni macam. I tak
T-Rex.
sampai lah.
T-Rex.
Okay, so this is done. You wanna try it?
Yes.
Okay, let's get you a plate.
Try this. Sedapnya sumpah, I want to try.
You like it?
I love that.
I wanna try this one.
But I think, yeah, like your friend said lah, best makan with nasi.
Kan, kena ada nasi. My friend betul sebenarnya. It is so good, it's so flavorful, right?
Yes.
You can't believe we made this in like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Using Thermomix TM6.
Yes.
So easy. Now anyone can cook.
Now anyone can cook and sing at the same time.
We'll see. We will see.
So if you want to try out this recipe,
Yeah.
do let us know. Tag us on IG stories or IG post and let us know how it goes. And if you want to get this cookbook,
Yeah.
you can also go to Annie's page and find out more details. And yeah, now I know how to chop spring onions. I know how to properly chop like all this
And you just made
condiments.
And
Yes,
you know
I made it
nice
with you with Thermomix
Yeah.
TM6.
Okay, tak apa. Next time, next recipe, you buat sendiri.
Aku buat
Deal.
sendiri.
Okay, deal. Yes. With using Thermomix
Okay,
TM6.
okay. That's deal. Okay, confirm.
It's a deal.
Okay, jom kita makan
Jom
sekarang.
kita makan.
See you next time.
See you
Bye.
guys. Jumpa makan.